In this video, I am going to show you how to share internet from one computer to another using an Ethernet cable. I have a computer that is connected to a Wi-Fi router. I want to share this Wi-Fi internet from my laptop to another computer using an Ethernet or a LAN cable. To do this, we will use two built-in features in Windows. This process is useful when you have a computer without Wi-Fi or when your network setup requires a wired connection. Sharing internet via Ethernet can provide a more stable connection compared to Wi-Fi, reducing latency and improving overall performance. The first method is using the bridge connections feature. In this method, we will set up a network bridge on the host computer. First, make sure the host computer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now, open the Network Connections page. The Bridge Connections feature allows you to connect two or more network adapters in Windows. We will use this feature to connect the Wi-Fi adapter with the Ethernet adapter so that we can share the Wi-Fi internet through Ethernet. To create a bridge connection, select the two network adapters. Then, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Bridge Connections. After that, right-click the newly created bridge adapter and select Properties. Here, make sure both the Ethernet and Wi-Fi checkboxes are selected. Click OK to confirm. The bridge connection setup is now complete on the host PC. It may take a few moments for Windows to apply the changes. You may also need to restart your computer if the bridge does not establish successfully. Now, connect the second computer to the host PC using an Ethernet or LAN cable. There is no need to configure anything on the second computer. After connecting the LAN cable, you should see the Ethernet icon appear in the taskbar. The internet connection should now be working. If the connection does not work immediately, try restarting both computers and checking the network settings. If the first method does not work, we can try the second method using the internet connection sharing feature. For this method, we no longer need the bridge connection, so we removed the network adapters from the bridge connection. Make sure the host and the other computer are still connected via an Ethernet cable. Now, to share the Wi-Fi internet through Ethernet, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Under the Home Networking Connection section, select Ethernet. If this option is not available, just check the Sharing checkbox and click OK. Once you enable the internet connection sharing feature, the host PC will start working as a router. However, in some cases, the DHCP service of the host computer may not assign an IP address to the client computer automatically. If you experience connection issues, you may need to restart both computers or disable and re-enable the network adapters. To avoid this issue, it is better to manually set private static IP addresses for both devices. On the host computer, right-click the Ethernet adapter and assign a static IP address. Use the following details. IP address 192.168.1.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default gateway. Leave it blank. Click OK to save the settings. Now, go to the client computer and assign a static IP address. Use the following details. IP address 192.168.1.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default gateway 192.168.1.1 preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Click OK to save the settings. After completing these steps, the second computer should now have access to the internet. If the connection does not work immediately, try running the Windows Network Troubleshooter on both devices. This can help identify and fix common network configuration problems. By following these methods, you can easily share an internet connection between two computers. This setup is useful in many scenarios, such as when working in an office without Wi-Fi, connecting a desktop without a wireless adapter, or simply ensuring a more stable connection for online activities.